This line is quite long. Jeez. It's Friday, 11:30 a.m.
Hey, welcome!
Oh, bloody good! Great! Good! Welcome, guys! Go, Victoria!
It's very busy down here at Canberra. Epic Park Exhibition Park. Woo, look at that. Coming in from everywhere. Got a gridlock. There's so many people here, they can't even get in. To a massive, massive camping ground. Where are you from?
Queensland!
Where are you from? Melbourne. 5 buses here. I think they're all from Townsville. We've got what? Townsville, Yeppoon, and something else, I don't know. 7:30 p.m. Friday night. Big day tomorrow. Someone's decided to take all the sheep out of Canberra.
Central Queensland region, and we met up with Ray Calypso coaches.
How long did it take?
So 2 coaches left Townsville on Tuesday morning. We linked up with them in Rockhampton on Wednesday, and we are arriving here now.
This is our bus, this is our companies, and we do all types of stuff.
We're not gonna take it anymore!
Where are you from?
Mackay!
That was my fault. Why have you come down?
Well, basically, it's for our freedom and freedom for our family and children, and we just need to send a message to the government saying that they need to respect that. Our freedom is important.
So, what's your name?
Amy.
Amy, why have you? What made you come down here?
I was watching mostly your videos and I was tossing up whether I come down or not, and I decided to come down.
All the buses are up there. Townsville, Yeppoon.
Right, okay, yeah.
8:30 p.m. Gridlock.
Now my heart is inflamed and I know why.
Because I complied, because I complied, because I complied.
I wasn't gonna.